Volkswagen India has launched the much-awaited Virtus sedan from a starting price of Rs 11.22 lakh ex-showroom. There are 6 variants on offer with prices going up to Rs 17.92 lakh ex-showroom, and bookings are already underway. To sum up the Virtus in a single line, it is Volkswagen's version of the recently launched Skoda Slavia. Built on the company's MQB A0 iron platform, 95% of the components of the vehicle have been localized. The sedan gets the typical Volkswagen vanilla design language with sharp cuts and creases throughout the body. Though the overall silhouette of the vehicle looks like that of the Vento, the presence of new lights and bigger dimensions bring in a new appeal. The Virtus is the longest sedan in its segment, measuring 4.561 mm with a boot capacity of 521 liters. The dashboard gets a 10.1-inch infotainment system with wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and an 8-inch all-digital instrument cluster. Other features include keyless go with push-button start, electric sunroof, climatronic AC, 8 speakers as standard, wireless mobile charging, front ventilated leather seats, My Volkswagen Connect app and a lot more. Talking about safety features, the vehicle gets 6 airbags, ESC, multi-collision braking system, hill hold control, ISOFIX style seat mounts, 3 headrests at the rear, tire pressure deflation warning and a reverse camera. Available with 2 engine options. The first one is a 1.5 litre TSI Evo unit with active cylinder technology, and this one makes 150 PS and 250 Newton meters. This engine is offered with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG. The second engine is a 1 litre TSI engine. This one is a 3-cylinder unit, and this one makes around 115 PS and 178 Newton meters, and this one is offered with a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic, and both the engines are equipped with an idle start-stop feature. The Virtus is available in 6 colors: wild cherry red, carbon steel grey, reflex silver, curcuma yellow, candy white and rising blue. It will compete with the Skoda Slavia, the Honda City, the Hyundai Verna and the Maruti Ciaz. Here you can have a look at the price list of the Volkswagen Virtus, and do note that these are introductory prices, meaning after a certain number of bookings have been breached, the prices will be increased. What is your take on the Virtus? Let us know in the comment section below.